Have you ever wondered which is the hottest river in the world? It's not something most of us think about daily, but it's a question that opens up a whole world of intrigue. Thermal rivers, as they are known, are a fascinating phenomenon of nature. Unlike your average streams and rivers, these water bodies are heated from below, making them a hotbed of natural energy. These rivers exist thanks to the Earth's geothermal heat sources buried deep beneath the surface. These heat sources are like the planet's own central heating system, warming up water that comes into contact with them. Now, thermal rivers aren't your typical lukewarm creeks. They are significantly hotter, and their temperatures can be influenced by various factors, including volcanic activity, tectonic movements, and the depth of the heat source. This brings us to an intriguing point. What if we told you there's a river so hot, you could literally boil your breakfast egg in it? Tucked away in the Peruvian Amazon lies a river that's hot enough to boil. This isn't a line from a fantasy novel, but a real-life marvel of nature, the boiling river, or as the locals call it, Shane Timpishka, which translates to boiled with the heat of the sun. The discovery of the boiling river took the scientific community by storm. For years, geologists were under the impression that a river of this heat intensity, far from any active volcano, was simply impossible. The story begins with a young geophysicist, Andres Russo, who first heard about the river in his grandmother's folktales. Russo embarked on a quest to find this mythical river, a journey that led him deep into the heart of the Peruvian Amazon. The disbelief among scientists was widespread, but Russo's tenacity paid off. After years of exploration, he found the river exactly where local lore said it would be. Stretching for nearly 4 miles and up to 80 feet wide in places, the boiling river lived up to its name. With temperatures reaching up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, it's hot enough to brew your morning coffee or cook dinner. The river's location added to its mystique. Nestled deep within the Amazon rainforest, it's not easily accessible. The journey involves a flight into the jungle, a boat trip, and a hike through treacherous rainforest paths. This isolation, however, has allowed it to remain a well-preserved secret. The boiling river carries a rich tapestry of local lore. Indigenous tribes have revered it as a sacred site for centuries. To them, it's a place of power, where the line between the physical and the spiritual world blurs. Their tales are filled with cautionary tales of spirits that inhabit the river and the surrounding jungle. This river, once shrouded in myth, now stands as a testament to the wonders of our world. It challenges long-held scientific beliefs and underscores the importance of indigenous knowledge. So remember, next time you boil a kettle, imagine a river that does just that, naturally. The boiling river, a natural phenomenon so rare it's the only one of its kind in the world. But what makes the boiling river so hot, you might wonder? Well, it's all about the geology. The boiling river's high temperature is not the result of nearby active volcanoes as one might assume. In fact, the nearest active volcano is over 600 kilometers away. Instead, it's down to something known as the geothermal gradient, the rate at which the Earth's temperature increases with depth. In most parts of the world, the gradient averages about 25 degrees Celsius per kilometer. But in the area of the boiling river, the geothermal gradient is much steeper. Adding to this is a unique geological feature, a fault line. This acts like a natural pipeline, allowing the heat from deep within the Earth to reach the surface. The water in the boiling river absorbs this heat, reaching temperatures of up to 93 degrees Celsius. It's a fascinating display of nature's power, isn't it? So, what kind of life can thrive in such extreme conditions? You might be surprised to learn that the boiling river teems with biodiversity. From heat-loving microbes to hardy insects, these organisms have adapted to not just survive, but to thrive in the scalding waters and heated soils. The microbes, known as thermophiles, can withstand temperatures that would kill most life forms. They have evolved to use the heat as an energy source, a feat that has fascinated scientists. Some insects have developed a unique behavior of darting in and out of the water, avoiding lethal heat exposure while taking advantage of the nutrient-rich environment. The life around this river is more than just an ecological curiosity. It offers insights into how life might exist on other planets with extreme conditions. It's a living laboratory for astrobiologists studying extraterrestrial life possibilities. The boiling river, a testament to life's resilience and adaptability. This is the power of life, to adapt and flourish no matter the circumstances. From a mythical tale to a scientific marvel, the boiling river truly is a wonder of nature. We've delved into its discovery, unraveled the science behind its heat, and explored the life it supports. Next time you come across a river, remember, not all rivers are as cool as they seem. Until then, keep wondering, keep exploring,